In this tutorial, we will cover how to create schedule templates and build a schedule. To access the area to create templates and build schedules, you will go to Navigate, open your Perfect Care EHR folder, and then select Appointment. Within the Appointment tab, you have an appointment menu at the top of the screen, which you will click on. Here you will see Schedule Templates. Each template is built based on practice and then location. So you will not be able to apply a template to a specific location unless that template is part of that location. Here you see each practice, family practice associates, and then medical office, and then within each of these practices you see different locations. Today we're going to create a template for the main location office for family practice associates. So here you see I have office highlighted. I will then click Add. This will take you to Schedule Template. Here we will then add to start building our schedule rule. The first section of schedule rule is the first appointment slot time. So this is the time the schedule is going to start and the first appointment will be in. The next section is interval. This is how many minutes you want each appointment slot to be. So I'm going to select 15 minutes. And I want 15-minute appointment slots all the way through till 11 in the morning. So I'm going to select 11 a.m. The next section is blocks. This is how many appointment slots you want for each of these intervals. So we're going to say 2. And then you also have the option of picking the color you want this section of the schedule to be. Here under Show Schedule Time as Available, you can select what type of visit the doctor wants to see in those slots. Here we will just say normal office visits. Visit types you can add to, so what you see here is not the only ones available. These can be added. And then I will do OK. And then I want to create the next section of my template. So I'm going to click Add, and you'll see that my start time starts at 11 because that's where we left off. I'm going to leave the interval to 30 minutes, and we'll do that till noon. One slot, and we will call these new patient visits. And OK. I will add again. This time I will do a lunch break, so I'm going to say for 60 minutes till 1 o'clock. I'm going to reserve for lunch. You can also type in a custom reason or make additional reserved reasons. And then I click OK. And then I will add again. And for my afternoon schedule, I will say every 20 minutes till 5 o'clock, 2 blocks, and we'll just leave the visit type open and click OK. The final thing you'll need to do is name your template. You can name your template based on days of the week, the provider the template is for, the location, however you would like to do it. I'm going to name this schedule my Tuesday and Thursday. Schedule, and then save. So here is my new template. You can copy templates to other locations. So if I wanted the Tuesday, Thursday schedule also to be used at my Tampa location, I will highlight it, copy, and then copy to my Tampa office. So now we have the same templates at both locations for family practice associates. Now to build your schedule, you will go back to the appointment menu and click Schedule Maintenance. The first thing you will need to do is define the schedule resources. Define schedule resources allows you to select the doctor that you want to have a schedule at these locations. So I'm going to say Family Practice Associates. and I want to build my schedules for the main location office, and then I will click Next. And here you will see the doctors that are available for that practice that you can build a schedule. So I'm going to build a schedule for Dr. Anderson. So I'm going to check that box and click Next. This next session is called Resource Types. So if I want also at this location to build a schedule for the nurse to draw blood or do any kind of testing, I can create also a lab schedule. So I will click OK. Next, and this is just a final screen letting you know what we have done. So we have set up to build a schedule for Dr. Jeffrey Anderson and also a schedule for the lab at this location. I will click Finish. I will go back to the appointment menu and schedule maintenance, but now I will build my schedule. When you click Build Schedule, you have two options. You can build a schedule by day or by week. When building a schedule by week, that allows you to build a schedule for a provider that does different templates on each day of the week. Day only gives you a one-day option and to apply it to a specific group of days all at one time. We're going to do the weekly build. When you click Week, you will see we now come to Build Schedule Week, and each day of the week is available. Now to apply the templates, you will right-click on the day of the week, select Schedule Rules. Here you can either build a schedule on the fly, so if I did add, it comes to our schedule rules, or the easiest way is to select templates. So I'm going to click Template, and now I see the templates that we've built. I'm going to select Monday and Wednesday, Friday template, and click OK, and OK again. And I'm going to continue to do this for my whole week. Now I'll show you one on the fly. So Thursday we want to do something other than use a template. So I'm just going to click Add. We'll do 8. We'll do 15-minute appointments till noon. Two slots, and OK. And then we'll use a template again for our Friday schedule. OK, and OK. So now we have created a whole week schedule. Now to apply this for a provider, for a certain time frame, you will click Save Schedule. Do your drop down to make sure you're selecting the right practice, right location. Here, because we selected Lab and Dr. Anderson to build schedule for, I'm going to select Dr. Anderson to use these templates that I've created. I will select my time frame that I want these to apply. Also, you can select at the top, when you clicked on, I clicked on August, so that brings me down to select my months. And then the last day. So now I'm going to put this template in for all weeks from August 19th through December 27th, and here for each day of the week. And click OK. Now if we close out and we select our Family Practice Associates office, and I'm going to look at Dr. Anderson, here you will see his schedule. If I click 5-day view at the top of the screen, I will see all of my templates. This concludes the tutorial on how to create schedule templates and build schedules. If you have any questions, please forward them to questions@ncgmedical.com, or you can call the support helpline at 1-800-330-1906. Thank you for watching.